And sometimes we cover up ourselves by our roles, positions, people. Lagi nating excuse yung nanay natin, yung kapatid natin. Ang dami. Kasi we're trying to distract ourselves from fulfilling ano ba talagang pinapagawa sa atin ni Lord. So here, we have core security. Doon natin kinakapit, pero sa loob, takot tayong maiwan. Takot tayong masaktan. Am I making sense? Takot tayo na makita na insecure pala. Takot tayong makita na hindi natin ina-anchor sa totoong armor ni Lord. Ang dami nating armor. Positions, title, persons, possessions. So pag nawala yan lahat, ang tanong ko lang, nasan ka? We operate on fear, so we need to take hold of that fear and look at